Take-san received bamboo shoots from his friend. This time, he made baked bamboo shoots with foils.
Oh. It's exciting.
Bamboo shoots can be cooked with rice water or rice to remove bitterness. Details in the description. Simmer bamboo shoots ahead of time with soy sauce soup. In Japan, pre-cooked bamboo shoots are sold in supermarkets, so you can save time by buying commercially prepared bamboo shoots. Boil them for about 20 minutes and they are ready to eat.
Wow!
Next, make grilled bamboo shoots. Wrap the bamboo shoots in aluminum foil. Grill over high heat for 20 minutes. Check for charring and it is done when it is lightly charred. The flavor and taste are excellent. If you have Sansho leaves, you can feel spring even more.
Wow!
If Take-san can do it, anyone can do it. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.